Cooking with Massy. What's up, tribe? It's your girl Massy, and welcome to another video. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna call this, but prepare to be wowed, because these recipes right here are the bomb.com. I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted me to work on content-wise, and one of the most voted poll votes of them all was maintaining a healthy physique. If you know me, you know that I like to eat. I am always eating. I am always trying new recipes. And I believe I put a menu together that you guys are going to love. We're talking about gut health, de-bloating, maintaining a healthy physique, having enough lean muscle, having decreased body fat, and doing all of those things with really good food that is gonna make you just feel really good. So let me stop talking and let's start with the first recipe, breakfast. So for breakfast, I've been combining kimchi, eggs. I have 2 eggs, 1 egg white, some salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika with about half a cup of kimchi. And I am going to load this, I would say, toast. And it is incredible. It is good for your gut, and it is something that I find super delicious, something that can be done every single day, and it's been super filling, and this is my breakfast. I'm going to throw the eggs. I'm going to add the kimchi to it. This has been a game changer, and it's super simple. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Okay, so I toasted my bread and I just added a little olive oil on top. Now, this would be amazing with like some garlic. I'm just gonna put these eggs on top. Sourdough is the kind of bread that I choose to eat and consume. Your bread should only read yeast, flour, salt, water. That's it. I don't buy processed bread. And this is really simple. I toasted my sourdough. I put some olive oil, just slightly, just sprayed it a little bit, let it toast it, made my eggs, laid it on top. This is going to help your gut. It is going to provide you with all the things that you need. And I'm using whole eggs. When it comes to nutrition, whole foods is where it's at. So, breakfast number 1. All right, so for lunch, I have this cilantro lime rice with this pulled rotisserie chicken, fajita style chicken that is just so good. We're gonna put some avocado in it. It is super simple. All you get is the rotisserie chicken. You take the breast and you pull the chicken breast just to cut the process, okay? So all I'm doing is adding some olive oil spray to the pan. We'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic. I love garlic. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm gonna deglaze a little bit with some chicken stock, just a tiny bit. Okay, so I'm gonna add my chicken. Let's say I have 2 to 3 cups. If you guys are counting macros, the recipe, you have to adjust to your macros, okay? You're gonna look at your pan and determine when it needs, whether it is a little bit more chicken stock, but I'm just going to add my veggies. The fajitas. I had some red bell peppers, some orange bell peppers, and a white onion in here. But I don't know, this is easy. Just throw everything in a pan, let it just cook and build up the flavors, and trust me that everything is going to come together. So for the rice, all I'm doing is splashing half a lime. And again, you can go by taste and sprinkle some cilantro. You can make this with brown rice as well, and it is super yummy. amazing. So this is one of the recipes and or would be my lunch. I can use the leftovers to build any other recipe because I have a lot left over. 5 to 6 ounces of shredded chicken in here with half of it has avocado and a cup and a half of white rice. And voila. Okay, last but not least, I have a completely plant-based meal, which is comprised of roasted Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, and beets. And I made this harissa spiced chickpeas, and there is about 2 cups of them in here, which is going to be my dinner. Now, the harissa spiced chickpeas were made super simple. I used half a lemon, started with a little bit of olive oil spray, put about half a tablespoon of minced garlic, about 2 teaspoons of honey, smoked paprika, some salt, some pepper, a tablespoon of harissa paste. Now, this depends on how much you like spice, but I think this meal tastes incredible. I am going to throw a little bit of feta. I find that roasted vegetables is a really nice way to end the day. You can have that as a side if you want to add a protein to it, but this is completely plant-based, and I'm just throwing a little cilantro in there. For the vegetables, I use olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper to taste. You can put some rosemary in there and it's going to taste incredible. And I just roasted them for 350 for about 20 minutes. In the 8 years that Tru Supplements has been around, I have never gone a day without reaching my protein requirements. And when people think about protein, they think it's just a supplement to supplement when you're training. But in actuality, it's a food. And many of you guys don't know that I grew up being a vegetarian. So today's video is to give you a sense of how I truly eat. It's a combination of bringing all the foods that are really good for you to maintain your health, lean muscle mass, and everything that I told you in the beginning. I froze my banana, so I put 1 frozen banana. There is about 8 ounces of chilled water, about 2 handfuls of spinach. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I am adding some cinnamon. I put about 1 very large spoon or scoop of protein and a half. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can do almond butter, you can do cashew butter, but that combination of banana, chocolate, peanut butter protein, and everything in this smoothie is just fantastic. This curbs my cravings. I don't crave anything that is sweet, unhealthy. It's giving me everything that I need in terms of healthy digestion, my RDA fruits and vegetables. It tastes incredible, and I'm just gonna blend this. This is my post-workout. On days that I don't train, I still reach my protein requirements. Oh my God, this is so good. Okay. I would technically just like put the straw, literally, I walk around the house and I just drink it from the Vitamix. Okay. Yeah. Ladies, when it comes to maintaining your health, one of the things that I wanted to do when it came to giving women a complete profile in a supplement, even though I take supplements for training, this is the one supplement that I never go without. And when we created Tru Her, we thought, let's give women the solution in one product that was going to help them with their mood, to balance your hormones, and to give you an exact mineral and vitamin profile. So this is my multivitamin / hormonal support that I never go without. I took you through my breakfast, which is a yummy and healthy alternative specifically for gut health, and it just tastes delicious. We touch on what would be my post-workout meal, which is a smoothie that contains everything that I need. We took you through a really healthy lunch that I know that you're gonna love. This is going to become staple in your diets. And I took you through a plant-based dinner that technically it will provide you with enough protein from the chickpeas. I really hope you guys like these recipes, you try them, you enjoy them, and you start making a healthier relationship with food and movement. On to another video. Let me know what you want to see on the comments section below. Anyway, hit the bell button. I'll see you in another video.